News and views from the best voices in our game. Subscribe to the Cricket News YouTube channel and press the bell icon for unparalleled cricket coverage.
Hello and welcome to Cricket News. It's been an emotional couple of days for the world of cricket, especially for the Indian fans, since Virat Kohli brought to an end of what have been fabulous 7 odd years of him leading the Test team. And so we decided, let's celebrate it by talking about some of the moments that defined Kohli the captain. Moments that were symbolic of what he stood for as a Test skipper and the likes of which we in Indian cricket weren't used to. Now, of course, there are a lot of individuals who come into play in the decision making in the modern game, of which the captain is one. So while us sitting outside the dressing room do know that there are different capacities in which these different people are involved, we also need to acknowledge the fact that a captain's role in that process is still to a large extent in cricket. And these moments that we are going to talk about do have an imprint of Virat Kohli and the way he played his game. Moments that didn't necessarily come in matches or series that India won, but ones that definitely made Indian cricket a winner over the course of time. So here they are 3 moments that defined Virat Kohli, the Test captain, and his team. We have to start from the very beginning. Adelaide Test against Australia, December of 2014, the first of a 4-test series. Virat Kohli wasn't even the full-time captain at that moment. MS Dhoni was ruled out of the first match. And before the series ended, of course, he would drop the bombshell that was of retirement from the longest format in the game. And Virat would get to lead as a full-time Test captain before the series ended. But he had already left quite the impression in Adelaide in that first Test. Remember, before that, India had lost 4-0 in Australia in the 2011-12 tour. Australia had batted, as one would remember they did against India on that last tour, in that first Test match in 2014-15 as well. 400s in the 2 innings in that Adelaide Test. Their bowlers managed to give their batters a good head start ahead of the second innings, and they had set a total of 360 for India in the final innings. Imagine knowing that the full-time captain would return in the next Test, knowing that you had a good chance to draw the first match, and which at that time was a gem for the Indian fans when their team travelled in saner countries, and then to tell your teammates, whatever the total be, we'll go for the chase. It was Test cricket seen never before for someone of my generation. And Kohli, of course, led from the front in that chase, scored a twin century in that Test match, and it was very much on before he was picked up off Nathan Lyon at deep mid-wicket. India lost the match. There was a fair share of criticism, even some from the current India head coach who was on that tour as a broadcaster, but hindsight is a beautiful thing, isn't it? You see that moment now and you think that really was the best teaser we needed for the captain Virat Kohli era. You think of Virat Kohli, the Test captain, and you think of fast bowlers. And the saying cannot be more true. A captain is as good as his team, perhaps in the red ball game, as good as his bowlers. And that was one of the big demands Kohli had as India's captain, to develop a pace unit that would get India those 20 wickets, especially away from home where the pitches were cushioned to suit the home side's riches in pace bowling. And I see you've already reached Johannesburg 2018, haven't you? South Africa had already won the first 2 of the 3 Test matches, and they welcomed India at Joburg on what was referred to as the minefield for the batters. It would lead to a decision that would give us all the chills. It still gives us all the chills that we as Indian cricket fans have waited for so long. A 5-pacer bowling attack. One that delivered India a famous win at the end of that series, one that is now looked back upon as the beginning of a new era, perhaps the most cherished one for Indian cricket fans. And watching the likes of Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah, Ishant Sharma, Umesh Yadav, and now Mohammad Siraj and Shardul Thakur as India's pace attack has been a beautiful story, and long may it continue. Playing with an all-pace attack was a decision that took us aback, back in 2018. But as we discussed in one of our Cricket News lives before the recently concluded South Africa versus India series, India now have the luxury to take that decision to opt for their riches, to walk on these minefields and ripe fruits. 20 of them on most occasions. Let's travel to England now. As inevitable as it is to not talk about Lords when you do so, Indian cricket has seen so many wonderful memories at that venue, and 2021 brought another one. This was a team, a set of players who had already carved out the formula to win from difficult situations. Even someone like Mohammad Siraj, who was only playing in his third Test series, had shown us traits of leading a bowling attack. But when India were 209 for 8 on day 5, with a lead of just 183, we thought this was perhaps a bit too tough to recover from. And then came that Bumrah-Shami partnership. They were swatting the England bowlers, weren't they? There was, of course, a lot that had been said by both the sides on field to amp the drama for the amphitheatre that Lords would become on day 5. And so when India declared at 298, setting England a total of 271 with 60 overs in hand, and you saw Virat Kohli spraying Carole before walking out on the Lord's turf and addressing his players the way he did, boy, we knew we were in shoe-in for a blockbuster. But we didn't know how it would unravel itself. For 60 overs, they should feel like they are in hell. And his bowlers, being the obedient bunch that they have been, finished the game 9.1 overs early. The close-in field setup, converging in as a pack towards the English batters after every over. Fast bowling at its best, slow bowling at its best. I said this after the game, and I'll say it again, that Virat Kohli has been a peach of a drama director, and his team has been quite the cast. When they get in, up close to breathe the air around their counterparts, it is the closest the game can emulate the scene of a contact sport. So those were our 3 moments that defined Virat Kohli, the captain, as well as his team. A captain is as good as his team, remember? And Virat Kohli and his Indian team have been brilliant to watch. Let us know in the comments section what your favorite moments have been from this Virat Kohli, the Test captain's era.